Wow.
Yeah, mate. Huh? No, that little bit. Yeah.
Oh, where are you all night? Where are you all night, mate? That's about the sixth fire, isn't it? 6. And about 10 ambulances.
More than 20 vehicles scattered over the carriageway of the M23 tonight, with reports of around 40 people being injured. Emergency services from across the region responded to the incident following a call at around 5:40. This footage shows the scale of the accident and was captured by a motorist who stopped just feet away from the collision.
See down there, look. Right down there, there's at least 20 cars all at one another, and then these go smashed up. Look how close we are to it, look. Thank the blessed Lord, I never got it. Look here. One car in front of me, look. But right down there, look. They're all smashed up. We just had at least 20 motors. But look, that's how close it was, Alvin.
Sussex Police and South East Coast Ambulance Service, along with West Sussex Fire and Rescue, have been dealing with the injured tonight. A triage centre was also set up nearby to treat those involved. In the last hour, the ambulance service confirmed it has taken 4 people to hospital and was treating approximately 30 more. The cause of the accident is not yet known, but a police spokesperson told us they were called to the carriageway between junctions 10 and 11 following reports of a serious collision. At the time, they estimated 15 vehicles were involved. They said the ambulance service is assessing and treating multiple casualties and asked the public to avoid the area and warned of significant disruption. The road is due to reopen tomorrow, but tonight the advice remains for drivers to avoid the area. Harry Acton, ITV News.